Nexo cost figures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, which explicitly is very huge. We here basically will generally give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for Nexo in an unobtrusive way. The Nexo has in practically no time truly acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested and looking through the inquiries like, is Nexo a very wise venture? Is Nexo sort of worth purchasing in 2023? Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. What will in every practical sense be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? How high might Nexo at any point go? Our aid will especially provide you with a thought of the Nexo expected development and its cost forecast, all from profound specialized investigation to central exceptionally past cost graphs, which sort of is very critical. Nexo by and large past value examination amazingly, as per the in every practical sense, most recent market information, today the cost of Nexo truly is 58 cents, and Nexo is at present explicitly positioned number 100 in the genuinely whole crypto market. The flow supply of Nexo essentially is 560 million 11. With a market cap of $327,533,641 in most recent 24 hours, or so they explicitly thought. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Nexo's cost for the most part has shown a decent increment of 2.93%. In the kind of most recent 24 hours, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking, Nexo certainly is as yet confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins and the market in a significant way. The Nexo is down to nearly 9.71% over the most recent 7 days, which truly is very huge. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for sort of past, certainly couple of days. The coin could especially serious areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment, which really is genuinely critical. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of Nexo by and large has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, disposing of an astounding extremely normal cost of 16 cents from its kind of current cost in an unobtrusive manner. This unexpected descending development for the most part implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, and it can be a by and large great truly purchase a potential open door for truly fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 11.96%, and the cost flowed from a genuinely least typical worth of 65 cents to essentially most extreme normal worth of 67 cents in the especially beyond 90 days, or so they thought. Nexo essentially is somewhere near 16.96%. With the greatest pretty typical cost of the coin was around 73 cents, and the especially least in every practical sense, normal cost of by and large was around 66 cents in beyond 4 months in an extremely significant way. Nexo value estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We explicitly anticipate future Nexo cost expectations Nexo figures by applying in every way that really matters, profound fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of Nexo. We by and large give our all to in a real sense, gather really most extreme verifiable information for the Nexo coin, which especially incorporate numerous elements like past value, market cap, volume, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, or so they sort of thought. Assuming that you are looking to in every practical sense, put resources into digital money market, try to peruse our expectations in a real sense. Nexo value expectation for 2023 as per our conjecture, in 2023, the cost of Nexo basically is supposed to reach at least value level of 56 cents, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Nexo cost can sort of arrive at a greatest worth of 63 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 61 cents, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value expectation for 2024, according to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the cost of Nexo is really anticipated to reach at least worth of 86 cents in an especially significant manner. The Nexo cost can truly arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.04. With the typical exchanging cost of 89 cents. Nexo value figure 2025-2026. The cost of Nexo generally is anticipated to explicitly reach at an essentially least degree of $1.24 in 2025, or so they certainly thought. The Nexo cost can arrive at a fundamentally most extreme degree of $1.51, with the typical cost of $1.28 all through 2025, which essentially is genuinely huge. The cost of Nexo in every practical sense is anticipated to especially reach at a truly least degree of $1.71 in 2026. The Nexo cost can arrive at a really most extreme degree of $2.13, with the typical cost of $1.76 all through 2026 in a sort of large manner. Nexo value expectation for 2027. Nexo cost by and large is conjectured to arrive at a sort of the least degree of $2.56 in 2027, which generally is genuinely critical. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could arrive at a sort of most extreme degree of $3.01, with the truly normal conjecture cost of $2.63, which by and large is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Nexo, in 2028, the cost of Nexo is gauged to, in every way that really matters, be at around a base worth of $3.72. The Nexo value worth can arrive at a fundamentally limit of $4.45, with the typical exchanging worth of $3.83 in United States dollars. Nexo value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Nexo is supposed to generally reach at least degree of $5.21 in 2029. The Nexo cost can truly arrive at a greatest degree of 6.19, with the genuinely normal cost of $5.40 all through 2029, or so they generally thought. Nexo value expectation gauge for 2030. According to the figure and profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of Nexo is supposed to reach at a really least value worth of $7.86. The Nexo cost can generally arrive at a really most extreme value worth of $9.12, with the very normal worth of $8.08 in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value expectation for 2031. The cost of Nexo generally is supposed to reach at least worth of $10.97 in 2031, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Nexo cost could basically arrive at a most extreme worth of $13.61, with the typical exchanging cost of $11.29 all through 2031, which certainly is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation for 2032. Nexo cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $15.06 in 2032 in a significant manner. According to our discoveries, the Nexo cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme, all things considered, conceivable degree of $19.06, with the typical conjecture cost of $15.63. Or so they thought? What is the Nexo cost today in an every practical sense, significant way? Today the cost of Nexo is 0.58, with the market cap of $327,533,000.